Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, I introduced to you yesterday about a continent, the second largest continent in the world, okay, about Africa. So I mentioned about the some of the important features of Africa in the last class regarding the Sahara Desert, regarding the region which is famous for the diamonds and gold mines, and there are also very large lakes like Lake Victoria, which is the largest freshwater lake in the world, and the highest peak like Mount Tanzania is considered as Mount Kilimanjaro is considered as the highest peak, which is located in Tanzania, and the region which is around the Sahara Desert, that is from the Lake Victoria, a long river takes its origin or birth called as River Nile, and this River Nile is the only river which crosses the Sahara Desert, children. The Nile has helped a civilization to develop in the Egyptian region, which we call it as Egypt civilization. Civilization जो डेवलप हुआ है जो ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर नाइल, उसको इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन, मम्मीज बोलते नहीं हम, पिरामिड्स जो है वो पूरा जो है वो इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में है. सो इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन वॉज बॉर्न ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर नाइल, and Egyptian civilization has a history of several thousands of years. The waters of the Niles have helped this region to irrigate the fields for thousands of years. If you look at the climate of this region, that means in Europe how the climate will be. So as I told you, there are different kinds of features you find. You find large deserts, and you also find evergreen forests, very thick forests also you find in this region. So on what basis these forests and deserts get formed is on the basis of the climate located in that region. So let us see how the climate will be. We have seen about the climate in Europe. So how severe winter will be the eastern side of Europe than the western part, and how the westward drift, the west wind drift will improve the temperatures on the western part of Europe to keep it warm also we have seen. Now let us see about the Europe, children, about the Africa, children. From the center of the Africa, equator passes through, children. You know equator मालूम है नहीं आपको? ग्लोब का सेंटर लाइन जो है वो है इक्वेटर. ये है ग्लोब, ये 0 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड जो है इसको इक्वेटर बोलते हैं. इक्वेटर समझ में आया? ये जो इक्वेटर जो है वो अफ्रीका में से जाती, और 23.5 नॉर्दर्न लैटिट्यूड है, 23.5 सदर्न लैटिट्यूड है. ओके, ये तीन जो है वो अफ्रीका में से जाती, तीन लाइन्स will pass through the Africa. So because the Africa is divided into northern part and southern part, okay, because of the equator, the zone between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is the hottest region of the world. वर्ल्ड में hottest region जो है वो है इक्वेटोरियल रीजन है, और ये अफ्रीका में से जाती है. इसीलिए अफ्रीका जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर के बीच में जो जगह है अफ्रीका में, वो जगह जो है हॉटेस्ट पार्ट इन द वर्ल्ड है. एंड दिस इज हार्डली, देर इज हार्डली एनी विंटर तो नहीं रहता उधर. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द ट्रॉपिकल रीजन बिकॉज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न passes through, so we call it as a tropical region. And these zones which are extreme south and extreme north of this tropic experience summer as well as winter. For that reason this region we call it as a temperate zone. बोले तो ट्रॉपिक के बीच में जो जगह है उसको ट्रॉपिकल जोन बोलते हैं, और ट्रॉपिक के ऊपर जो जगह है उसको हम टेम्परेट जोन बोलते हैं, नॉर्थ साइड और साउथ साइड. और व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट, चिल्ड्रन, ये जो है मैप, ये जो अफ्रीका जो है इसके सेंटर में से इक्वेटर गया, नीचे से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, ऊपर से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, और ये जो एक्सट्रीम रीजन है इसको टेम्परेट जोन बोलते हैं, और ये रीजन जो है उसको ट्रॉपिकल रीजन बोलते हैं. So this is how we can understand about the climate of a place, children. And so far we have been talking about the summer and winter, children. Summer and winter will be present only in the temperate zone. However, regions that are hot but receive heavy rainfall. Hot region जो है, tropical region जो है, it will receive heavy rainfall also and have different climate from hot region that are scanty rainfall. But this region has very heavy rainfall. So further about the climate of this region, we will see. That means regions with heavy rainfall and regions with moderate and scanty rainfall also we will see in the next class, children. Thank you.